Today we take our discussion of artificial intelligence a step further. We are moving from simply identifying problems and formulating them to understanding how AI searches for solutions within a structured framework called the problem space. So this is an important shift, not just knowing that's a problem, but exploring how an intelligent agent navigates choices and finds the best path to achieve its goals. So this idea of search is foundational to all intelligent systems, from a chess playing AI to a navigation system in your car. So next, so before we dive into today's topic, let's quickly revisit what we have earlier covered. So problem solving as heart of AI. Problem solving categories like general purpose and special purpose strategies and steps in formulating problems such as identifying initial states, goal states, actions and constraints. So now building on that, we learn how AI agents search through possibilities using structured techniques. So let's start simple. What's a problem? In A problem is defined by a start state, a goal state, and a set of possible actions that move the agent from one state to another. The twist is that the path from the start to goal is not immediately obvious. The agent must search through possible actions to find the correct sequence that solves a problem. For example, finding your way from one city to another when multiple highways, traffic conditions, and route options are involved. That's a problem AI could model and solve. So now imagine plotting every possible situation the agent can encounter. So the problem space is this universe of all possible states the agent might reach, starting from the initial state, applying different actions. So you can think of it visually as a tree or graph. So nodes which represent the different states, edges represent actions leading from one state to another. So solving the problem then becomes a matter of navigating this space from the initial node to a node that satisfies the goal. And crucially, the efficiency of how we navigate this space, which impacts how quickly or intelligently an AI system can find solutions. So, how do AI agents move through this problem space? Okay, so they use search. Search is a computational process of exploring the problem space to find a sequence of actions that transform the start state into the goal state. So this involves considering various possible actions, predicting the outcomes, choosing the best path towards the goal. So good search strategies are what separate an intelligent AI agent from a random or brute force one. So searching smartly saves time, memory, and often leads to better decisions. So to perform search efficiently, AI systems rely on search algorithms. Different kinds of problems which require different kinds of search strategies. For example, uninformed search. So the agent knows nothing about the layout of the problem space. So it searches blindly, like breadth first or depth first search. Then informed search, the agent uses domain knowledge, that is like heuristics to guide the search intelligently. So that will be like an A star search. So choosing the right search algorithm can dramatically change how fast and successfully a problem is solved. So throughout the course, we will explore these algorithms deeply. So now, when we talk about problem space and search together, we are emphasizing representation and strategy. The better we model the problem space. So defining clear states, defining clear actions, understanding transitions, the more effectively we can design search algorithms to find the solutions. Thus, problem solving, problem space modeling, and search strategies are interconnected. They work together to enable an agent to operate intelligently in any environment. So, and it's important to understand that search is not simply trying out actions. In AI, search is deliberate. It prioritizes paths, it prunes bad options, it optimizes for shortest cost, least time, highest reward, or other criteria. Okay. AI systems don't just wander in the problem space, they navigate purposefully. As AI engineers, our job is to design those navigational tools, the search algorithms that allow our agents to succeed efficiently. So let's see a classic example, that is the water jug problem. So imagine you have a 2-gallon jug and a 5-gallon jug. Your task is to fill the 5-gallon jug with exactly 1 gallon of water, and the 2-gallon jug should be empty. So we define here states, amount of water in two jugs like 5, 2 or 3, 0, and actions will be fill, empty, pour water between the jugs. So the goal is to reach the state 1, 0, that is 1 gallon in the big jug, empty the small jug. The pathcast could be the number of actions taken, the fewer the better. So we represent states like jugs B and S, where B here is the B and S are the amounts of water. So a real world problem is modeled mathematically, so an AI agent can solve it. So now continuing with this water jug example, the initial state is 5, 2. The big jug is full at 5 gallons and small jug is full, which is 2 gallons. So possible operators are empty a jug, fill a jug, pour from one jug to another. The goal state is 1, 0. So through combinations of pouring and emptying, the AI searches the problem space to find the sequence of actions leading to its goal. So each move changes the state, moving the agent closer or farther from the goal depending on choice. So here the problem is also it demonstrates state transitions visually. So here imagine pouring from big jug to small jug, emptying the small jug into the sink, pouring again from big to small, and so forth. So this one carefully tracking how many gallons remain in each jug. So the AI must plan these actions to reach 1, 0 in the fewest moves. This example is simple but teaches how search works in the problem spaces. Next, another classic AI problem is the 8 queens problem. Here, place 8 queens on a chessboard so that no two queens threaten each other or attack each other. States will be the partial placements of queens on the board. Actions will be placing a queen on a safe square. Okay. So the problem space is huge because the number of ways to arrange the queens is large. Searching intelligently, pruning invalid states early becomes crucial to solving this efficiently. So the 8 queens problem teaches us about constraint satisfaction and intelligent backtracking. So to summarize this lecture, a problem involves an initial and a goal state. The problem space is the universe of all possible states and actions. Search is the systematic exploration of this space. Search algorithms determine how we navigate and optimize our path. Careful problem formulation and representation, which are critical. So examples we have seen like a water jug and 8 queens, which show how real world problems are modeled in AI. So understanding these concepts is foundational. You will see them again in the pathfinding or game playing or robotics and every area where intelligent systems operate. Okay. Thank you.